The betboyles Robot Vacuum Mop Combo offers an impressive 3-in-1 cleaning solution with its vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping capabilities, making it an ideal choice for households with various flooring types. With powerful suction and a large dustbin, it efficiently tackles dust, debris, and pet hair without frequent emptying, ensuring thorough cleaning sessions. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology and slim design allow it to navigate seamlessly around furniture and tight spaces, preventing potential mishaps. The robot vacuum's extended runtime of over 120 minutes and automatic self-charging feature ensure uninterrupted cleaning sessions in larger homes. With 6 versatile cleaning modes, users can easily customize their cleaning preferences through the app or a remote control, enhancing the device's adaptability. Compatible with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant, it offers the convenience of voice-controlled operation, adding a layer of ease to your cleaning routine.